So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you that is JEE Mains 2021 February 5th physics question paper. So I have uploaded the question paper and I have uploaded the video of it, and I also uploaded the answers. Now let us see how the solutions, how to solve it. So let us come to the questions now. So I have uploaded the question, so let us come to the first question. So here is your first question. So I believe you have seen the question. Once I will tell. So the question they have asked is the work done by a gas molecule in an isolated system is given by W is equal to AV square E, where X is the displacement, K is the Boltzmann constant, and T is the temperature. Alpha and beta are the constants. They are the constants they have asked. Then the dimension of P will be, they have asked. So here they have given. Now if we come to work done formula, first question, I am solving the first question. So here in this first question, if we come to the formula, see work done. Here they have asked work done. So work done is equal to, what is the work done is equal to A into E square into E minus X square by A into it is the formula. So this is the formula, okay. And they have asked here, they have given K, that is K is Boltzmann constant. K is Boltzmann constant. T is temperature, as you know. And they have given X, that is displacement they have given. So as we know, they have said here dimensions, to find the dimensions. So we know that X square by A into K into T is equal to dimension. So if we X square by divided by A into K into T, if we do, we will get dimensions. So now let us come to that. So X square by A into K into T. Okay, this is our formula. Let us take it. That is equal to, it will get as M naught L naught T naught. Okay, it is formula. A, that is nothing, so it is common. Let us take it out. A is equal to L square will get by K into T, we will get one side. So we are making it one side. Now if we take K here common, K is equal to M1 here, 1M, L2 to T2, K inverse 1T is equal to K, we will get here. If we do, we take, and if we come to A is equal to here L square by M1 L2 T2 K inverse into K, that will be equal to A is equal to M inverse T2. So therefore W is equal to A into beta square. So if we take this both, now if we take this both, that is M1 L1 T inverse into L inverse divided by M inverse T2, and if we take B2 is equal to M square L square T minus 4 will get. So therefore B is equal to, so therefore the B is equal to M L T minus 2. So they have asked to find the dimensions of B. The dimension of B we got is ML T minus. Now let us come to the question. So here you can see the question. Here ML T minus. So here the first option they have given is M square L T square. So the option we got is MLT minus square. So this is not there. M not L T not. So we not got M not, like this, not option. So this one is also cancelled. MLT minus square. So this is the option we got. So therefore the correct option is answer C. Okay. So let us come to our. So this is the answer for question number 1. So the dimensions of B will be MLT minus 2, or T square power minus T to the power minus 2. So after having first question, after getting the option C for first question, let us come to our next question, that is question number 2. So here is the question for you. So first you read the question, then we will solve the question and we will see which option is correct. So next question, second question you have observed, I think so. So let us come to the question. So the question they have asked, I will read once. So they have asked two stars of masses m and 2m at a distance t rotate about their common center of mass in free space. The period of revolution is, so what will be the period of revolution of the two masses? They are asking the two stars of masses. First mass they are given as m and second one is 2m at a distance of d. They have not given the distance. And about their common center of mass in free space. There is common center of mass, they are in free space. So we have to find the period of revolution is. The revolution is. So now if we take the formula F, let us come to formula. F is equal to G 2m m by d2 small d square, that will be equal to 2m w square d by 3. This is the formula. Now in one minute I will show you. Yes, so this is the formula. So now in this, if you see, we can take as gm. Next is gm by d square, that is we equal to, will get w square as common. If it remove 2m, and we'll get w square d by 3 we will get. Okay, if we remove 2m we have removed. Okay, cancelled. So this is the thing next we will get. In this, if you see, if you multiply this cross multiplication, if you do, means gm with 3 d2 with d square, then you will keep w square as common, that is equal to 3 gm into 3, it will become 3 gm by t square into d cube it will become. Okay, so now root is there, means here square is there, so let us make it take it as root. So root w is equal to root 3 gm by t cube. Now they have given here time, so t is equal to time, t is equal to 2 pi by w is the formula, it is equal to 2 pi by w. So therefore w is here, so therefore we will take it only 2 pi. For w we have to take, so if you take w, so it will go there, so it will become 2 pi root reciprocal d3 3 gm, m small, sorry, here m small m. So therefore this is the formula for the period of revolution is. So now let us see where the formula. So if you see here question number 2, here in first option, that is 1 by 2 pi root 3 gm by dt d cube. So 1 by 2 pi we have not got, so this is not our answer. Let us come to second option, that is 2 pi root d cube by 3 gm. So this is the option we got, so therefore the correct option is option B for our second question. So option B is the second correct answer for second question. So now let us come to the question number 3. So here is question number 3, you see the question. Next I will solve that question also. So here is the question number 3 for you. So let us come to our next question, that is question number 3. So the question number 3, they have asked, I think you have read the question number 3. So here they have asked that 4 identical particles of equal masses. So 4 identical particles that have equal masses, that is 1 kg, made to move along the circumference of a circle of radius 1 meter under the action of their own mutual gravitational attraction. Under its own mutual gravitational attraction, they have to move in that circumference of a circle, that is radius is 1 meter. So the speed of the each particle, what will be the speed of the each particle, we have to find. First let us draw a small circle, so don't matter it, circle may be not like perfect circle but a little circle. So here they have made it 4 parts. In question you are saying, they are saying it as 4 parts, it is 4 part. Okay, in this 4 part they all have equal masses 1 kg, mass 1 kg, mass 1 kg, mass 1 kg, mass 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg, m is equal to 1 kg, you think like that, I will is equal to 1 kg. Okay, and from here we have to find what will be the speed, their speed, and its radius. So its radius, they have given that radius is equal to 1 meter, their radius, and they will be having mutual gravitational attraction. They will be having attraction like this. If you put a line like this, okay, here from here to here, here to here, and that will be let us mention it as f3, it f2, it something f1 like that, let us mention it f1. Now it is like 45 degree. See, 90 degree means 45 degree, 45 degree, no, so for means for 45 degree, 45 degree. Okay, now let us come to formula. So here 3 is there. For this 3 we have to find 1, 2 and 3. This one also will get same only, so that's why first we will find these 3. So as you know, formula f formula we have taken loss, so F1 will be equal to GMM by 2R square, that will be equal to GM square. MM is there, means we can take that as M square, and 2R square is there, means 4R we can, or 4R square we can take it as. Next, F2 formula will be GMM by root 2R square, that will be equal to GM square by 2R square. Root is removed, 2R square. F3 also same, it will be F3 is equal to GMM by root 2R square, that will be equal to GM square by 2R square. So this is for this F1, here F1, F2 and F3 formula. Okay, so if you come F1 for Fnet, means their cos theta sin theta, what will get? F1 nothing is there, I just keep it as F1. So F2 will be cos 25, it is like cos, so cos 45, sorry, plus F3 cos 45, it is. Next, let us put the formula now. F1 is equal to GM square by 4R square plus F2 cos 45 will be GM square by 2R square, and it cos 45 will be minus 1 by root 2. Now F3 formula will be GM square by 2R square, and cos 45 same, 1 by my root 2, minus 1 by root 2. Okay, this is the formula you have taken. Now next, if you come to next, that is equal to GM square by R2, it is common, let us take it as common, and if you take it all together, 1 by here 4, it will become 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is there, root 2 is there, so it will, if you combine it, it will become 2 root 2 plus same 1 by 2 root 2 it will become. Okay, GM square R square by divided by R square, they will be common. Let us take, because here all are it is common, GM square by R square, it is common in every formula here. Next, if we take here GM square by R square into, it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, because 1 by root 2 is also common, and here we will take GM square by 4R square into 1 plus 2 root 2, 4 2 root 2, it will become 4. So therefore, if Fnet for it will be GM square by 4R square, 1 plus 2 root 2, here 1 plus 2 root 2 we got, so it will, we are taking it, that is, it will be become M square by R. So therefore V, let us take V, it as V, we have to find relation. V is equal to root, what here left, G, 1 plus 2 root 2, here what we got, divided by 2. This is the formula we got for, means the speed of each particle will be, if we put the values to here, we will get the speed. So for that they have asked us to find the formula in the question. Now we have come to the question. So here the correct option is, we got is G 1 plus 2 root 2 by 2. The correct option is option B. So therefore option B is the correct answer for question number 3. So this is how you have to find the answer. This is question number 3. Okay, so this is a third question. We got answer option B. This is the formula we got to calculate it. Next, our next question is, so let us come to our next question. So go and so let me show you the next question. Our next question is, so let us come to our next question, that is question number 4. So so first of all, let us show you the question. So here is the question for you, then I will explain and I will get the answer for that. So here is the question. So I think you have read the question. Now the question they have asked is, once I will read, then let us come to the solution. So here they have asked the moment of inertia of 4 bodies. So they are asking the moment of inertia of 4 bodies having same masses and radius are reported as. So they have given the report that in that they are given that the moment of inertia of 4 bodies, that are having the same masses and they are having the same radius, but we have to see which one is greater, which one is smaller, which one is equal. So first one they have given that, the first one I1, they have given that mi, that is moment of inertia of thin circular ring about its diameter. I2 they have given that mi of means moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis is perpendicular to the disc and going through the center. I3 they have given that moment of inertia of solid cylinder about its axis. I4 they have given that moment of solid sphere about its diameter. In this, if we see I1, what they have given, first one, let us come to I1. They have given that the I1 they have given that, so I1 they have given that the moment of inertia of thin circular ring is about its diameter. That is, I1 will be equal to m or 2 by 2, that is equal to 0.5 m or square, m or square, I1's formula. If we come to I2, that is, here they given that the moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis is perpendicular to the disc and passing through the center. Here also same formula, m or 2 by m or square by 2 is equal to 0.5 m or square is the formula. If we come to I3, here they have asked the moment of inertia of solid cylinder about its axis, that is also same formula, m or square by 2 is equal to, we will get 0.5 m or square. In the final option they have asked I4, they have asked the moment of inertia of solid sphere about its diameter, that is, here the formula is 2m or square by 2, that will be equal to 0.4 m or square is the formula we will get for I4. So by seeing this, we can say that I1 is equal to I2, I2 is equal to I3, but I3 is greater than I4, we can say the formula here, the value. So it is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, it is equal. Here I3 is smaller than I4 formula. So this is the formula. So let us come to the options now. So here is the options for the question number 4. So here if you see the correct one is I1 is equal to I2. I2 is equal to I3, but I3 is greater than I4, right? So the correct one is option D, that is this one. So this is the correct option for question number 4. So now let us come to our next question, that is question number 5. So here is once the answer for question number 4 for you. Now we will go for our next question, that is question number 5. So once you see the question, next I will solve the question. So here is the question number 5 for you. So I think you have saw question number 5. So let us come to our question number 5. Question number 5. I will read the question first. In the question number 5, they have asked, consider two satellites. They have given to you to consider two satellites. That is, one is S1 and another one is S2. With their periods of revolution, their period of revolution is 1 hour and 8 hours respectively. So the period of revolution is 1 hour and 8 hours is respectively we have to consider. Next, they are revolving around a planet in circular orbit. Around any planet you consider, they are revolving around the planet in a circular orbits. The ratio of angular velocity of satellites S1 to the angular velocity of satellite S2 is, what will be their angular velocity between each other, they have asked. Let us solve the question. So let us take T1, that is satellite 1. Two satellites, no. Satellite 1 is 1. 1 they have given. T1 divided by T2. T2 they have given, that is 8. Its revolution is 8 hours. Okay, 1 hour and 8 hour. Okay. So for that, the formula for that is 2 pi by W1 by 2 pi by W2, that is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. So 2 pi gets cancelled. The formula is W1 by W2 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Now if you see, if the W1 by W2, it will be cross reciprocal if you do. So W2 by W1 is equal to 8 by 1 we will get. Sorry, W1 by W2 is equal to 8 by 1. So therefore it is, if we see, 1 minute, if you see, so if you see, W1 by W2 is equal to 8 by 1, that is equal to, let us come to the options now, then we will see which one option is we are getting. So here is the options for the question. The first option you can see, obviously it is 8:1 ratio. So all as well they are asking ratio only. So we got 8:1 ratio. So therefore option is option A. The correct option will be option A. Okay. So A is the correct option for our question 5, and I think you have got the answer for the question number 5. Let us come to our next question, that is question number 6. Once you see the answer how I got for question number, so this is the answer for our question number 5. So you see it how we have got. Next we'll go to our next question, that is question number 6. So our question number 6, I will show you the question. You read it, then we will solve the question and we'll see which one is the question. So here is the question number 6 for you, then we'll solve the question. So let us come to our next question, that is question number 6. So here in question number 6 they have asked, I think you have read the question. So let us come to our question. Here they have asked, each side of a box made of some metal sheet in cubic shape is A at room temperature T. The coefficient of the linear expansion of the metal sheet is A. The metal sheet is heated uniformly, we are heating it, by a small temperature delta T, so that its new temperature is T plus delta T. So we have to calculate the increase in the volume of that metallic box. What is the increase in the volume of its metallic box that we have made through the metallic sheet? So now if we come to the formula for the change in the volume, that is given as the formula for change in the volume, that is given as delta V is equal to V y by y delta T. This is the formula, and the relation between the coefficients of the volume expansion and coefficient of linear expansion, that is equal to y is equal to 3a. Okay, so let us y is equal to 3a will get, so therefore formula will be delta v is equal to 3a cube and a delta T is the formula we will get. So this is the formula we are getting. So therefore let us come to our question, in which option we have this formula. Let us see. This is the formula. So here is our question. So in this question we can see the formula, each side of the box made of metallic sheet in a cubic for question. And first option, this is not our formula, we got 3a cube into a 3a cube a delta T is the option we got, that is in D option. So therefore D is the correct option for our question. Okay, so therefore this is the correct answer for our question, D, 3a cube a delta T. So let us come to our next question. So once you see the formula, then so like this we have solved. So I think you saw how we have solved. We have got first the change in the volume of how the change in volume is given by the formula, how it is a change we can represent. Then the relation between their coefficient and volume expansion, and coefficient of the line expansion and volume expansion coefficient, how we got. Then we got the formula of the volume, change in volume formula we got. So this is how we got the answer. Now let us come to our next question. First you read the next question, then we will solve the answer for the next question. So here is answer is the question for you, that is 7th question. So first let us come to the question. So see the question, then I will solve the find the answer for that question. Sorry. So I believe you have seen the question. So let us come to the answer. So first let us read the question. The question they have asked, if y, k and n are the values of Young's modulus, bulk modulus and modulus of rigidity of any material respectively. So we have to choose the correct relation for this parameter. For this parameter we have to choose the correct relation is our next question. In the question they have given y, the y, that is Young's modulus. Okay, y is Young's modulus. Then k is bulk modulus. Okay, k is our bulk modulus, and n is like that is modulus of rigidity of any material. So as we all know, y is equal to 3k 1 minus 2n. Okay, so n is equal to 1 by 2 1 minus y by 3k k is the first equation we get. Similarly, if we take y is equal to 2n 1 plus nu, so we will get nu is equal to 1 by sigma is equal to 1 by 2n minus 1, equation 1. This is our equation 2, sorry, 1 is there, equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, let us calculate here only. From equation 1 and 2, what we have got? Y is equal to, we got equation 1 and 2, we got 1 by 2 1 minus y by 3k is equal to y by 2n minus 1. 1 minus y by 3k is equal to y by n minus 2. Okay, then y by 3k we will take it as common. Y by 3k is equal to 3 minus y by n, because 1 will take this side, so it will become plus, minus plus, so minus 3. So you got it, I think so. So it will become plus 3. Next, so y by 3k is equal to 3n minus y by n. So n will multiply this side, cross multiplication will do. Now again n multiplication, cross multiplication, so ny by 3k is equal to 3n minus y. This is we get. Finally, y by 3k is equal to 3n minus y by n. So therefore ny by 3k is equal to 3n minus y. Final formula we get, that is k is equal to ny by 9n minus 3y is the final formula we get. So this is the final formula we get to find the correct relation of the pattern. This pattern they are given, that is Young's modulus, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity. So let us come to our options. So we have come to our options. So here the correct option for this question is k is equal to, we got k is equal to yn ny, same only, no? So there is no change. If you put y into n also no problem, n into also no problem, divided by 9n minus 3y nanometers. So this option C is the correct answer for our question number 7. So wait a minute. So here is how I solved the question number 7. So it is a long, it is a big answer, so practice it. So let us come to our next question. So let me show you my next question from this book, then we will solve it step by step. So here is next question, that is question number 8. So question number 8, let us start. So in the question they are given a graphical representation. So here they have asked, if the velocity time graph has the shape AMB, what would be the shape of the corresponding acceleration time graph? So here options they are given. So here see, the figure what they are given is, it is a line like this, straight line, here one, then another one from here to this end, one here, one point, that is A, it is a slope negative, okay, negative, and then it is a slope negative. I'm showing it a little zoom in because it is very important. Okay, slope negative it is. Then you have to bring it a straight line here till here one point, from here another one point, here that comes slope b. It is slope b, that is slope positive, it is slope positive. Okay, it is negative, it is positive, it is negative, it is positive, it is also slope positive. Here is slope negative, it is slope negative m. It is, here I said slope positive, not m. This one, this is negative, this is positive. Okay, and the by this the slope vt graph gives us the acceleration. So by this we can say that the acceleration, it will be in the point like this. That is, if I make 1 minute graph, it will be like this. 1 minute is small down here. A, it is A. From here, so like this it will be M B. Okay, so like this it will be. Okay, so let us come to the options. Which option is correct? Let us see. So if we come to the option, the correct option is option A. You can see the option A is the correct option. So therefore option A is the correct answer for question number 8. So how it is, I explained. So let us see it once again. Like this it is. So this is the correct answer. So okay, so let us come to our next question, question number 9. So here is the question number 9 for you, then I will explain the question number 9. So here is the question. So I think you have read question number 9. Once I will tell, then we will see the solution of the question number 9. The question they asked is, n mole of a perfect gas undergoes a cyclic process A, B, C, A, as they have given in the graph in the question number 9. You may have seen the question. So consisting of that graph that is consisting of following processes. That graph has some processes. The first one is A to B. From A to B, it is showing the isothermal expansion at temperature T1. It is showing T1 so that the volume is doubled from V1 to V2. So A to B, it is showing the isothermal expansion at temperature T1 so that the volume that is doubled from V1 to V2, that is equal to 2V1. Volume is doubled. Okay, so we have to, and the pressure changes from P1 to P2. So P1 to P2, the pressure is changing. A to B. Now if we see B to C in that graph, B to C line, there they are showing isothermal compression at pressure P2 to initial volume V1. From pressure to initial volume, it is showing V1. And C to A, if we see, it is showing isochoric change leading to change of pressure from P to P1. So here three different things work done. So different things they have given. One, they have given volume, pressure, and isochoric pressure from volume, pressure to volume, and pressure 1 to pressure 2. We have to find, means they are given. We have to find, that is total work done in the complete cycle A, B, C, A. What is the total work done? We have to find. We have to find it. So W, first if we come, W isothermal for from C to A, from A to B isothermal. For that, if we come isothermal, the formula will be NRT long V2 by V1. Next iso, in second one isobaric, right? B2C, that is equal to P delta V is equal to N or delta T is the formula. Next W isochoric, last one, that is nothing they are given, it is Z, 0. They have asked pressure of Z. So if we take W1, first one, let us take it as W1. W1 is equal to ln RT ln 2V by V, that is equal to nRT ln by ln into 2. If we come to W2, that is equal to nRT by 2 minus T, temperature. They have asked here temperature in the question. Temperature they have asked minus nRT by 2. W3 they have given nothing, 0. Here temperature they have asked, so here temperature came. Here they have asked only V2 V1, so here we have taken. So from this, if we total it, W1 plus W2 plus W3, the formula we get is equal to nRT is common, nRT into ln2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 for here temperature, nothing means 1 by 2, right? So it is the formula we get for the total work done in a complete cycle ABCA. So let us come to option. So if you see the options in this, the correct option is so if you see the formula nRT into ln2 minus 1 by 2. In this, the correct option that we are getting, that option is option D is the correct option for question number D. So once again you see the answer how so this is the answer. So okay, now let us come to our next question, that is 10th question. It is like match the list. So here only I will show you how to match, so which one is the correct one. So first you go and see the question, then we will get which option is correct for them for that question. So here is the question number 10 for you. So in the question number 10, they have given match the following list. In the first list, in here they have given, that is isothermal. First one they have given list 1, in that first one isothermal. This is first list. Second one they have given that isochoric. Third one they have given adiabatic. Fourth one they are given isobaric. Okay, these are the options. In this second one they are given list 2. It is list 1, it is list 2. Here they are given fourth option, that is pressure constant, temperature constant, volume constant, heat content is constant. So isothermal, which one it is? So it is temperature constant. Temperature constant. And isochoric, it is volume constant. As you know, it is volume constant. Adiabatic, it is the heat content is constant. Its heat content is constant. Heat content is constant. Isobaric, final option that is left is pressure constant. So therefore it is pressure constant, that is if we so this is the correct match. Now let us come to the option. Let us see which option is correct for this question number 10. So here List one isothermal, isochoric, adiabatic, isobaric. So isothermal, it is temperature constant. First one. And isochoric, it is volume constant. Then isobaric, it is heat content is constant. Its heat content is constant. 3. Then isothermal, it is pressure constant. That is 4. So therefore the correct one is A is 2. So first one is 2. A is 2. So therefore D is the A is 2, B is 3, D is 4, and C is 4, and D is 1. So this one, option D is correct answer for question number 10. So let us see once again the answer. So here is the answer. So okay friends, let us come to our next question, that is question number 11. So here is question number 11 for you. It is a finding the formula, like that type of question. So here is question number 11 for you. So first you see the question, then we will find the solution for that question. So 11th question, they have given that they have given a figure where a mass m is attached to a horizontal spring which is fixed on one side to a rigid support. With a rigid support, it is fixed to the one side. The spring constant of the spring is k. The mass oscillates on a frictious surface with time period t and amplitude a. When the mass in equilibrium position as shown in the figure, another mass m is gently fixed upon it. The new amplitude of oscillation will be, we have to find the formula what is the amplitude of the oscillation it will be. So here momentum of system remain conserved, so therefore it is p1 pi is equal to p r. Okay, pi is equal to p r. Okay, pi m a w is equal to m plus m into a dash w dash. Okay, then ma is equal to root ma into root k divided by m, that is equal to m plus m into a dash root w is k divided by m plus m, because here 2m are there. So therefore a dash is equal to a root m by small m plus capital M. This is the formula we get when we solve it. So let us see the options, which option is correct. So here in the options we got the formula, that is a into root m capital M by small capital M plus small m. Okay, so it may interchange also, no problem. Capital M can come first or small m can come first, there is no problem. They may give like that to confuse you. See here in first formula, a into root 2 capital M plus small m by capital M. This is not the formula we got. B is the correct formula we got, that is a into root m capital M by capital M plus small m they are given. They have interchanged it, that's all. They have not changed anything. Formula is same, but they have interchanged the m capital M and small m. Okay, so therefore option B is the correct answer. There will be no change, nothing will happen if first capital M comes or small m comes. So that's why they changed to confuse you. Okay, so we remember, don't think that formula is not there or that answer we got that is not there here. They may try to confuse you sometimes. So therefore option B is the correct answer for question number 11. So let us once see the answer how we got. So like this we got the answer for question number 11. So let me show you question number 12. We will solve it. The next question number 12 is here for you. So here is the question number 12 for you, my viewers. So I think you have read question number 12. So let us come to the solution. So here they have given a circuit where SLE1, that is EMF, is 6 volt and internal resistance is 2 ohm, is connected with another cell. It is connected with another cell E2 that has an EMF of 4 volt and internal resistance of 8 ohm. So we have to find the potential difference across these points. They are given 2 points in that x and y you have seen in the question that I have shown you. Now how to solve it, let us see. So what all they have given, let us take it as given. 6 volt they have given even, and R1 resistance 2 ohm, E2 they have given 4 volt, R2 they have given 8 ohm. Okay, these are all the things they have given. Now if we do E, that is equal, if you find total E1 minus 6, so 6 minus 4, that will be equal to 2, and REF, that is 2 plus 8 resistance, no, so plus, so that will be equal to 10. So now if we, for finding current, I is equal to EEF by REQ, that is equal to 2 by 10, that will become 0.2 ampere is the current it will become. Okay, now so let us take as, so we have got current, the current in the circuit, it is 0.2 ampere is the current. Okay, now the potential difference, they have asked to find potential difference in the question, right, across the point they have given x and y. So let us take potential difference, v minus vy is equal to E plus IQ, that is equal to uh, QA. If we solve it, we'll get that it is Vx minus Vy is equal to 5.6 volt is the answer we get, the potential difference. Now let us come to the question. If we come to the question, here 5.6 volt, it is in option C. So option C is the correct answer for our question number 12. So once you see how I solved, so here is how I solved the question number 12. So here is next question, question number 13 for you. So you see the question, then we'll try to solve the question. So here is the question for you. So I believe you have seen the question and you have tried to solve it. So in the question, first let us see what let us understand what they are asking there, and what they have given and what they are asking to find. So here they are given that a current through a wire depends on time as I is equal to A naught T plus P T2, where A naught is equal to 20 and B 8 amps square. So we have to find the charge crossed through the section of the wire in 15 seconds. So how much of charge is crossing in that section of the wire in 15 seconds? You have to find it. Let us start. They are given I is equal to 20t plus 8t square. Okay, A naught they are given as 20, B naught they are given as 8, so therefore square. Okay, I is equal to dq by dt we have to take. Therefore integration, if we do, dq is equal to integration I dt, if we send this side. So q is equal to integration 0 to 15, in the question they are given 15 seconds, no, so that's why 15, 20t plus 8t square dt. So therefore q is equal to 20t square by 2 plus 8t cube by 3, 15, 0. Okay, q is equal to 10 into 15 whole square plus 8 into 15 whole cube by 3. We have to remove it. integration. So okay, after doing that we'll get q is equal to 2250 plus 9000 is the answer here we get. So therefore final answer is 11,250 coulomb is the answer we get. So let us see which option we are getting in the question. So here let us come to the question. So here in question 13, the correct option for question 13 is C. We have got 11,250 coulombs is the current is the charges that are passed through a section of the wire in 15 seconds. So therefore option C is the correct answer for question number 13. So once you see how I solved the option, it is integration we have done here. So like this we have solved the question. So integration we have done here and we got 11,250 coulombs answer. So after this let us come to the next question, that is question number 14. So here is question number 14 for you my viewers. Then we will solve the question and find the answer for it. So here is question number 14 for you. So here is question number 14. So I think you have seen the question my viewers. So let us try to solve the question. So in the question they have asked, they are given two equal capacitors that are first connected in series and then they have connected that in parallel. So when they have the ratio of their equivalent capacitance in two cases will be, in two cases what will be their ratio of equivalent capacitance they have asked here in the question. So first we come to the series combination formula. The formula is, as you know, 1 by C is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C, that is equal to C2, no, 1 by is equal to 1 by C2, and if that is for parallel, CEQ2 is equal to C plus CEQ2, that is equal to 2C. So if we come to the question, they have given two equivalent capacitor, right? So therefore CEQ1 by CEQ2, that is equal to C by 2 by 2C, because here 1, so therefore sorry, C2 not here, C by 2, so okay, that will be equal to 1 by 4. Okay, here 2, here 2, so 1 1, 2 resistance they are given, no, 2 2, so 2 is a 4, it will become here 2 by 2 divide 1, it will become, so therefore it is equal to 1:4 ratio. Let us come to the question now. So if we come to the question here, the correct option is option D is the correct option. As you can see, 1:4 ratio we have got. So therefore the ratio of the equivalent capacitors in two cases will be 1:4 ratio. Now let us see the solution. So here is solution once again for you. So here how I solved, you can see. So let us see next question after this, question number 15. Then we will go for the solution for answer of for question number 15. So here is solution. So I believe you have read question number 15. In question number 15, they have asked, question number 15, they have asked, means they have given a cube, not they have asked, they have given a cube that sides A has point charge. The point charge is plus Q. They did not mention any charge, plus Q. Their sides is having plus Q point charge located at the each of its vertexes expected at the origin where the charge is minus Q. So in the origin where the charge is minus Q, so in the origin the charge is minus Q and all other sides are having plus Q charges. The electric field at the center of the cube is, at the center of the cube what will be its electric field they are asking. Now if we solve, E dash is equal to E vector is equal to KQ R vector by R cube, that is equal to 1 minus 2Q by A by 2 X cap plus Y cap plus Z cap is the formula we get, by 4 pi E naught by A by 2 root 3 whole cube. So therefore E vector is equal to minus 2Q X cap plus Y cap plus Z cap by 3 root 3 pi A square E naught is the formula we get to find the electric field at the center of the cube, at the center of that cube. So let us come to the question now. We will see which option is correct. So if we come to the question, the correct option we get is option C, minus 2q we got by root 3 into root 3 pi a square E naught we got, E naught a square E naught, no problem it is, and x cap plus y cap plus z cap is common in all options. So therefore option C is correct for our question number 15. So once you see the solution, how I found the answer for this question, then we will go to our next option, sorry, next question. So here is solution for you. So you take a look on the solution, then we will go to our next question, that is question number 16. It is also all or like numericals only, but here they have given an option. In the second section B, in second type, they have given no options, you have to find directly, they will give only numerical question. After some questions we will go to that also. Next 16 question, let us see the question. Let me show you the question, then we will solve the answer for that question. So here is the 16th question for you, my viewers. So I believe you have watched 16th question. In 16th question they have given that if an emitter current is changed by 4 milliampere and the collector current changes by 3.5 milliampere, the value of P will be, they have asked. So they have given here two things. I current E is equal to IC. One is the current for that is current for emitter current, and another is collector current. So I delta IE is equal to plus delta IC plus delta IB we will do, and 4 MA is equal to 3.5 MA is plus delta TB we will get. If we divide it, we'll get delta TB is equal to, sorry, delta T not delta IB, sorry, is equal to 0.5 MA milliampere will get. So therefore 0.5 milliampere is the delta TB we got. So B is equal to delta IC by delta IB. We got IC, we got IB. Now B is equal to delta IC is 3.5, IB is 0.5. So therefore beta is equal to, we will get as, wait 1 minute, B is equal to, we will get, so therefore delta IB is equal to, we will get 7. B is equal to 7 we will get. So this is the value of B we get. So let us come to the options now. So if we come to the question, here in question number 16, the 7 we got, the P value of P will be 7. So first option is the correct for question number 16. So how I'll solve question number 16, first is it, then we'll go to our next question. So here is how I'll solve question number 16. So let me show you next question, that is question number 17. We will solve question directly because it is the question. First we see the question, then we will talk about the question. So here is question number 16 for you, my viewers. So in question number 17, as you saw there also, I came straight here because I want to show this diagram also. So that's why this business. So in the question number 17, they have asked in the given figure, in this figure that they have given, the energy level of hydrogen atom have been shown. Hydrogen atom energy level they have shown along with the some transitions marked. Some transitions they have marked A, B, C, D, E. The transition A, B, C respectively represent. So this transition A, transition B, and transition C. What it represents, we have to tell. So transition A, it represents the limits of Lyman series. Transition B, it represents the series of third member of Palmer series. And transition C, it represents the second member of Palmer series. Okay, you may have come to know when you see this diagram straightly. When you see, you will come to know who has read about this topic. That first A is Lyman, B is Palmer, third member of Palmer, and C is second member of Palmer series. So let us come to the options. In this, the first one is the first member is Lyman, it is correct. Third member of Palmer, it is wrong. So therefore option is wrong. B, the ionization potential of hydrogen, second member of Palmer and third member of Patches, so it is wrong. Third one, the series of Lyman series, second member of Palmer and second member of Bastian, it is wrong. So therefore the final option, option D, the series limit of Lyman series, third member of Palmer series, and second member of Palmer series is the correct option. So therefore the correct answer for question number C is, for question number 17 is option D. So let me show you the next question, that is question number 18. So here is question number 18 for you, then we will solve the question number 18. So here is question number 18 for you, my viewers. So here is question number 18 for you, my viewers. So I think you have seen the question also. I am solving it straightly because it is true or false type of question. So in the question they have given the statement 1, two photons having equal linear momenta have equal wavelengths. So statement A, two photons having equal linear momentum have equal wavelength. So it is almost correct. If linear momentum are equal, then wavelength is also equal. So therefore statement 1 is correct. If we come to statement 2, they have given that if the wavelength of photon is decreased, then the momentum and energy of photon will also decrease. So here, as you if you studied about this, if you remember about this topic, they have in this topic they said that on decreasing wavelength, momentum and energy photon will increase. It will not decrease. So therefore, statement here they have given that momentum and energy of photon will also decrease. No, it is wrong. So therefore, statement 2 is wrong, but statement 1 is correct. So if we come to the option A is both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. No, so statement 2 is false. So option A is wrong. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. So option B is also wrong. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So option C is the correct answer for our question number 18. So here is question number 18 answer for you. So let us come to our next question, that is question number 19. So here is the question number 19 for you, my viewers. Then I will solve the question. It is a question on focal length. So here is you view the question. I will show you the question, then we will solve, we will find the formula. Focus the concave mirror. So here is the question. So I believe you have seen the question, my viewers. So here is question number 19th answer for you. So here is question number 19th for you. So if you see the question, if you see the question number 19, here they have given that is the focal length f is related to the radius of curvature or of the spherical convex mirror by which by how it is we have to show. So if we come to the diagram, see this is the mirror, a rough sketch, sorry, like this line, okay, and one is the f focal length and the another one is c or the curvature or c. So if we see this, the formula by seeing only you can say the formula will be f is equal to plus r by 2 because it is going this side, so plus, so this side mirror if it is reflecting, so it will be f is equal to plus r by 2 will get as formula. So if we come to the option, in the option the correct option is f is equal to minus r by 2 is there, f is equal to r not r, we got r by 2, so f is equal to plus r by 2, option D is the correct answer for question number 90. So here is how I solve the question. After this, let me show you the question number 20, then we will solve the last question of the MCQs, then we will have numericals where there will be no options, you have to solve it right. So okay, let me show you it. The question is here for you, my dear viewers. So I believe you have seen the question, my viewers, and you have tried to solve it. So in the question they have asked, they have given in a Young's double slit experiment. In the Young's double slit experiment, the width of the one of the slit is 3 times the other slit. So the width of the one slit is 3 times of the other slit in that slit experiment. The amplitude of the light coming from a slit is proportional to the slit width. So the amplitude of the light that is coming from that slit is directly proportional to the width of that slit. So we have to find the ratio of the maximum to the minimum intensity. So from maximum to minimum intensity, we have to find the ratio in the interference pattern. In the interference pattern, we have to find it. So here they are given W2 is equal to 3W1. It means it is different, it is far, no? So that's why we are taking like that. W1, W2, W3. We have taken many slit. It will be going on that first equation, okay? We have to assume that w1 is equal to x. Let us assume w2 is 3x. We don't know, we will assume it, okay. Let us take like that. First, if we take I max, first one, that is a1 plus a2 whole square, and I minimum, net minimum light, it will be a1 minus a2 square. So if a1 is equal to a and a2 is equal to 3a, okay, a1 is a2 is equal to 3a. Now let us take, so let us come to the next is now I max by I minimum, okay, I max by I minimum, I max by I minimum, that is equal to a plus 3a whole square by a plus minus 3a whole square, that is equal to 16a square by 4a square, that is equal to 4 by 1. So therefore the ratio will be I max, it is equal to I max by I minimum, it is equal to 4 by 1. So therefore let us come to the options, then we will see. So here we have come to the question. So in 20th question, the option that is 4:1 ratio, it is option A is the we getting 4:1 ratio. So therefore option A is the correct answer for question number 20. So here from here numerical questions will start. So I will show you the numerical question. So after seeing that, let us start it. So here is the numerical question for you, my viewers. So what's the numerical question and try to solve it. I will start here now. So I think you have seen the numerical questions, my dear friends. So here is the solution. So let us come to the solution. So the question they have asked is the coefficient of static friction between a wooden block of mass 0.5 kg and a vertical rough wall is 0.2. The magnitude of the horizontal force that should be applied on the block to keep it adhere to the wall will be. So we have to find the magnitude of the horizontal force. So they are given mu s is equal to 0.2, then m mass is equal to 0.5 kg, then g is equal to 10 per second. So therefore as we know fs is equal to usn equation 1. So therefore n is equal to f. So therefore fs is equal to mg is the equation 3. So mg is equal to usf. So f is equal to mg by us, that is f is equal to 0.5 m is 0.5 into g is 10 by 0.2 us is. So therefore f is equal to 25 Newton is the answer we get. So therefore the answer for this is 25 Newton is the answer for question number 21. So here we made the formula and the values they are given, we have added and we got the answer. So here you see how I solved the question 21. Then we will go to our next next question. So I will show you the next question, then we will try to find the answer for our next numerical. So here is next numerical for you, my dear viewers. So I believe you have seen my next numerical. So in this they have asked that the unpolarized light beam is incident on the polarizers of a polarization experiment, and the intensity of light beam emerging from the analyzer is measuring as 100 lumens. Now if the analyzer is rotating around the horizontal axis direction by 30 meter in clockwise direction, the intensity of the emerging light will be, how much will be the intensity of the emerging light when the analyzer, if he moves if he rotates it horizontal way in by 30 degree in clockwise direction. So I naught is 100 lumens, theta is 30 degree, then I net is equal to I naught cos 2 theta. So therefore I net is equal to 100 into root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 100 into 3 by 4, that will become I net is equal to 75 lumens. So this is the formula. I net is equal to I naught cos 2 theta. We have to So therefore theta they have given 30, 30 the root 3 by 2 whole square, 2 they have given, so whole square. I not 100 they have given, so therefore it will be 75 lumens is the answer for question number 22. So it is another numerical for question we have solved here. So I think you understand this numerical also, my dear viewers. So let me come to my next numerical. So here is the video of my next numerical. So first you read, then we'll solve that. So here is the next numerical for you, my dear viewers. So the next question they have given that here a ball that is having a speed of 9 meters second collides with another identical ball that is at rest. After the collision between them, the direction of each ball makes an angle of 30 degree with the original direction. So the ratio of the velocity of the ball or balls after collision is what is x and y. Where x is what is the value of x and y. In that x, what is the value of y? First, before the collision, see here 23 question. So before the collision, see, first before the collision it was here one direction, A point B. So A B, okay. M, it is also M. 9 meter per second they have given. Okay, the distance, speed, their speed before collision. Okay, one is here, one ball at rest, another ball is moving. Okay, after collision, what it will become? They both are here like this. Here one ball, after dash, here one ball, here one ball. Okay, after dash they will go upward. One will go like this, another here it is one angle. Okay, angle one will go 30 degree. Okay, this is 30 degree. Okay, one, another one, this is one ball. Okay, this is another ball, so another ball, this side it will move, this is another angle, this is also another 30 degree. And they are given here y axis, x axis. Okay, x, what will be the value of x we have to find here. Okay, so after seeing it, so now we are seeing diagram. So first the from conservation of momentum along y axis, it will be PIY is equal to PIY, another one. Okay, FI. Okay, so then it will be 0 plus 0, it will be 0, so no momentum. So m by sine 30 I 30 degree j cap plus mv2 sine 30 degree minus j cap. Therefore it will be mv2 sine 30 degree is equal to mv1 sine 30 degree. Okay, so therefore v2 is equal to v1, or v1 by v2, that will be equal to 1. So therefore the value of x is equal to 1. Okay, so they have asked us to find the value of x, so we have find the value of, so therefore the value of x is equal to 1. So it is 30 degree 30 degree we have taken. We have one is positive and one is negative. Then we have find the solution for it. And if you see the diagram, 1 minute, see here is the diagram. So how I got the answer here. So diagram, they are moving like this, and I have put the formula next, so therefore I got the answer. So this was your question number 23. So let us come to our next question, that is question number 24. Okay, then so here is question number 24 for you, my viewers. Then I will solve the question. So question number 24 for you. So I believe you are at the next question. So in the next question, they have given that a hydraulic press, it can lift 100 kg when a mass m is placed on the smaller piston. It can lift how much kg when the diameter of the larger piston is increased by 4 times of that of the smaller piston is decreased by 4 times, keeping the same mass on the smaller piston. So let me take an example, show you by a diagram example. So here two things is there. It is hydraulic lift. Okay, hydraulic lift. One side they are given it is 100 kg weight, it is smaller piston it. Another side mass they have given, and we don't know mass how much it is. We should find how much it can lift. Okay, so if you use Pascal's law, in 100 into g they have not given a2, that is equal to mg by a1. First equation we will get. If m0 g by 16a2 is equal to mg by a1 by 16, it is equation 2 we get. So for this, if you put the formula, m0 by 16 into 100 is equal to 16 we get. So therefore m0 can be written as 25,600 kg, since their a is equal to pi t2 by 4. So 25,600 kg. From equation 1 and equation 2 we get m0 by 16 into 100, that is equal to 16. So therefore m0 is equal to 25,600 is the answer we get for our question number 25. So this is how I solved the question number 25. So it is a confusing question, so you have to use some tricks. You have to understand the question by reading some twice, then you have to try to get the answer. So here is for after this, let me come to our next question, that is 26th question. Here they have given that an inclined plane is bent in such a way that the vertical cross section is given by y is equal to x square by 4, where their y is in vertical and x is in horizontal direction, and if the upper surface of the curved plane is rough with coefficient of friction, that is mu is equal to 0.5, the maximum height is in centimeter at which a stationary block will not slip downward is. They have given an inclined plane, it is bent. Okay, it is bent such that its vertical cross section, there will be cross section where y is vertical, the two axis y is vertical and x is horizontal direction. It is in vertical, x is in horizontal, y is in vertical. Okay, so if a upper surface of this is curved plane, so upper surface it is like curved plane. If it is rough with coefficients of fraction mu is equal to 0.5, we rough it with the coefficient fraction mu is equal to 0.5, the maximum height, what will be the maximum height in the centimeter at which the block will not slip downward? Why the block will not go downward? What should be the maximum height? What will be the maximum height? So if we take tan theta is equal to mu. Okay, so tan theta is equal to dv by dx. Then dv by dx is equal to mu. If we go, x by 2 is equal to 0.5, therefore y is equal to x square by 4, they have given 4. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to x by 2, square is there, so if you so 2 it will become, so therefore y is equal to 1 square. If we take the but 1 square by 4, therefore it is equal to y is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. If we take it in centimeter, so it will be y is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, so therefore the answer is y is equal to 25, means 25 centimeter the means the maximum height, its height should be 25 centimeter, at which the stationary block will not slip downward. If it is 25 centimeter, the stationary block will not go downward. Okay, so therefore 25 centimeter is the correct answer. So this is our question number 25. Sorry, it is 25. I put 26 mistake. Okay, so it is 24. Sorry. Okay, so here is our next question, that is question number 26. So let me show you question number 26, then we will solve question number 26. So here is the question for you, my viewers. So hello friends, so I think you are at the question. So the question is, they have asked a resonance circular circuit having inductance and resistance, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 hertz, and 6.28 ohms respectively, oscillates at 10 microhertz frequency. The value of quality factor of this resonator is, what is the quality, the value of the quality factor of this resonance we have to show. So they have given L is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 hertz, R is equal to 6.28 watt, then F is equal to 10 microhertz, that is equal to 10 to the power 7 hertz. Okay, then Q is equal to W naught L by R is the formula, therefore it will be 2 pi F L by R is the formula. So therefore Q is equal to 2 pi into 10 to the power 7 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 by 6.28, that is equal to Q is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 3, that is also 2000 also we can say. So therefore 2000 is the correct answer. 2000 is the value of quality factor of this resonator is 2000. And also they are given to take pi as 3.14, so check on it, or we have gone straight, so it's not a big problem. So therefore the correct answer is, so therefore the answer is 2000 is the value we get. Next, so here is next question for you, 27th question. So first we view the 27th question, then we'll find the solution for our next question, means 27th question. So here is the question for you, my viewers. So I think you have you have seen 27th question. So here they ask, in an audio signal, that is Vm is equal to 20 sine 2 pi. Okay, 20 sine 2 pi, and then the amplitude modulates a carrier Vt is equal to 80 sine 2 pi. So the value of percent modulation we have to find. So the value of percent modulation we have to find for this question. So therefore, if we come to percent modulation, they are given here, that is modulation, percent modulation. For in this, if we came percent modulation, where AM by AC they are given, VM by VC we can take AM by AC, however you take, into 100% value. So therefore percent modulation is equal to 20 by 80 into 100, it is percent, so therefore it will be 25% or 25 we can say. So therefore the correct is so therefore the value of percent modulation is 25%. So therefore the value of percent modulation is 25. So next question, 28th question. So here is 28th question for you, my viewers. So then we will solve the question and we will find the answer for our next question. So here is 28th question for you, all my viewers. So 28th question, I think straight. So 28th question, they have given a circuit where where they have given that in this connection with a circuit drawn below, the value of current flowing through 2 kilo ohms resistor is. So we have to find the current passing in 2 kilo ohm. So they have given current through passing through 2 ohms. Okay, in that current is equal to 5 by 2. They are given 2 into 10 to the power 3 the formula. So therefore 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere will get. If we do it, I solve it, will get 25 into 10 to the power minus 4 we can take ampere. So therefore the answer is the 25 into 10 to the power minus 4 ampere is the answer. So therefore the value of current flowing through 2 kilo ohms resistor is 25 into 10 to the power minus 4 ampere. So okay friends, next question is 29th numerical. So here is 29th numerical, then we will solve it and we will find the answer for it. So in 29th numerical, they are given that an electromagnetic wave of frequency 5 gigahertz is traveling in a medium whose relatively electric permittivity and relative magnetic permeability both are 2. Its velocity in this medium, what is its velocity, we have to find. So ER means that is relatively permittivity, that is 2, and F frequency, that is 5 gigahertz, that is also we can write as 5 into 10 to the power 9 hertz, and mu r, that is relative permeability 2. So therefore V is equal to 1 by root mu E, that is equal to 1 by root mu 1 mu naught E1 E naught. So if we come, V is equal to root mu 1 E1 by root mu naught E naught, that is equal to C by root mu G EG. Okay, so therefore V is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 by root 4, that is equal to 30 into 10 to the power 7 by root by 2 meter per second. So therefore if we calculate it, we'll get as 15 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So this is the answer. V is equal to 15 into 10 to the power 7 meters per second. So therefore the velocity is 15 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So okay friends, let us see the last question of our physics J 20 means 2021 shift 1 question paper, physics question paper. So it is 30th question. So okay, so here is the question for you, my viewers, then we will solve the question. So I think you have seen 30th question, my dear viewers. So here they have asked that the a common transistor radio set requires 12-volt DC for direct current for its 12-volt direct current for its operation. The direct current source is constructed by using a transformer and a rectifier circuit which are operated at 220 volts alternate current. On standard domestic alternate current supply, the number of turns of secondary coil are 24. Then the number of turns of primary, or we have to find the number of turns of primary coils. The second number of turns of secondary coils is 24. Okay. So VP, that is primary voltage, 220 volt they have given. Then they have given secondary voltage, that is 12 volt, and number of turns secondary in secondary coil, that is 24. Number of turns in primary coil they have not given, we have to find it. Okay. So NP by NS is equal to VP by VS we can take. So VP by VS, NP by NS, NP is equal to VP into NS by VS. So therefore it is AN, so VP is 220 into 24 by 12, that is NP is equal to 440. So therefore the answer is 440. So therefore all the questions, 1 minute. So therefore all the questions of this JEE Mains 2021 24 February shift 1 physics question paper of done. I'll solve all the question, you find the answer. I think this video is helpful for you, the solution video. So next video we'll try to solve the chemistry JEE Mains February shift 1, February session shift 1 JEE Mains chemistry question paper will solve in my next video. So okay friends, all the best for your JEE Mains. Keep practicing, study well. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye, my dear friends.